nice. With the boys, Sentinel Peak. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Man, oh man. Look at this view. Chain ladder's done.
What's chain ladder?
Yeah, halfway there.
3/4 way there now.
Whew. At the summit. Look at this view. Damn, damn, damn. Natural spring water. Not bad. Lekker. Bit pungent, but nice. On the top of the second highest waterfall in the world. Look at this. Come Yash, take a dip. Head deep in. Put it right in.
Oh gosh. Oh. Okay.
Finished off at the waterfall. Back down the chain ladders. Brothers are in the back here. We need that beer. Another 6 k's back down. If you're afraid of heights, don't come here. Anyways, let's get back down.
What if you can go down this way?
No, bro, no.
Camera. You can go by that way.
You can do it.
Look up, yes. No, I'm not looking up. No, look up with the camera.
This is to your dead. Huh? Yeah, just take it slow, no rush.
That's the eagle. Don't worry.
You can do it.
She wouldn't.
Man, oh man. This is scary. Look at this. If you are scared of heights, do not attempt Sentinel Peak. Man, the hike is not bad, but these ladders, I mean, look at this. There's the ash coming down, nice and slowly. The nice thing about these ladders that they got these circular handles that you can help you to come down compared to those ones where basically you need good upper body strength and good forearm strength, good grip strength to carry you up, but it's not too bad. But these things with the circular handles help, so it's not too bad. It's just looking down. I mean, look at this view, man. You can't buy this view. No ways. Beautiful. Smooth sailing down. What a trip. What a trip. Another 4 more k's to go. Need that beer. Damn. Too nice. Back down and back to the car park. Ah, awesome trail. Few more Ks. This weather is beautiful. Look at that view, people. Man, this is really nice. Nothing beats nature. We have made it. Done. Beautiful. Whew. And that's it. All the way from Drakensberg. Sentinel Peak. Beautiful hike. Not for the faint-hearted, but don't really break that much of a sweat. But really nice. Beautiful views. Whew. Okay. And that's it. That was the end of the hike. Back at the hotel. Oh man, look at that mountain in the back. Amazing hike. Not too strenuous, but those chain ladders, they're a bit overwhelming. So, this beer is so good. It's cold, it's freezing, but nothing goes down like a beer after burning some good calories. Come and hike these beautiful mountains, the amphitheater, Sentinel Peak. I mean, it is amazing. Look at that, people. Man, you can even stay on the top. But you need the right camping gear, so whew, awesome. Until next time. That's it from me, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.